guys, it's Lem here again, your tech guide. So I decided to purchase another watch Active 2. This time I went for the stainless steel black. At first I wanted to purchase the non-LTE version on Amazon, and by the time I checked it out, I noticed that the price was quite up there. It ended up roughly around 505 Canadian dollars. So I decided to just went to my local Samsung store and purchased the LTE version, which they are on sale at this moment. So I did purchase the LTE version, and here it is, guys. But the problem with the LTE version is that my provider is not compatible with this LTE Active Watch 2. Here in Canada, I am with Fido provider, which is quite big, and also Rogers. But the LTE compatibility, it's only compatible with the Telus and Bell. So it was quite a bummer because I really want to test it out, the LTE connectivity, and see how it actually performs and so forth. And it just doesn't work with my provider. Anyways, I still went along and purchased the LTE because the price difference is only $55. So, you know, why not just go for this, and maybe down the future I might switch to a provider or eventually sell it, since I got this for a decent price. So we're going to be comparing this with my other watches that I have here. We do have the stainless steel silver. We've got the aluminum silver and black. We're going to see them, how it looks like side by side. And also, this is going to be a good video for you guys, especially when we are doing the watch bands and so forth. Now you guys have an idea what it looks like with these assorted colors and casing material. So without further ado, guys, let's open this up and see what the stainless steel black looks like when it's compared to our other watches. All right, so it's pretty much similar to the stainless steel box as I did on the Boxing Day. As you can see, here is the difference between your aluminum and your standard boxes of the aluminum versus the stainless steel. They are much bigger. So we're gonna do this quickly here so we could get to the main event. So the same settings, strap bands over here. Let me pop that out. Okay. Oh shoot. All right, there's the strap, leather strap. So of course you get your charger in here. You guys probably seen this a million of times already from other YouTube reviewers out there. So I'm just gonna make this quick so we could get to the point, comparing the colors and size. And of course you have your pamphlet and so forth in this bigger box here. All right, so let's put that on the side and crack this open right here. And here it is, guys. The stainless steel black Active 2. Boom. With the red signature of the LTE right there. All right, so that's how you could tell that this is the LTE version. You will have that red circle on the side. Well, on the button, I mean, on the power on button. All right. So nice glossy looking casing. So let's put this on. Let's put the strap on. Let me remove this barcode and we'll put the strap on and we'll compare it with our other watches. So right now they are on sale, guys. I think it's 17% off with the stainless steel, or the LTE version, I mean. And the aluminum, I think they're $70 off. So let's compare this now with our stainless steel silver and see the difference. So the stainless steel silver right now, I do have a screen protector there. So you might notice that it's kind of smudgy or have some dirt on the corners there. That's due to the screen protector. But anyways, let's go side to side here just to see what it looks like when you compare the two. All right. So it still has a little tint of bluish, very tint, like very small, but it's not as bad as the aluminum that really shows that bluish color in there. You could see it in a different angle. You could see that tint blue to the casing of the aluminum, and of course the strap band itself. You could definitely see that. And our silver aluminum, there is the difference between them right there. All right, and of course the weight wise, they do have different weight between all four of them. So let me just grab my weight scale here. I'm just gonna wipe it up, it's a bit dirty. All right, so of course those other ones will be a little bit heavier because I have the screen protector on them. So let's measure this one, the aluminum first. So 94, oh, that's in pounds. So let's put in grams, 43 grams for the aluminum. Wait, let's put it this way. Hold on. There you go. So it's 46 grams for the aluminum black. Then we have the aluminum silver. So pretty much the same thing. And of course we have the stainless steel silver. It's gonna be a little bit heavier. Oh, wow. That's kind of odd, guys. It's pretty much the same weight or less than the other two watches. That is odd. Before, when I did an unboxing on this was a little bit heavier. So I don't know, for some reason that one lost some weight. So now we've got the LTE version. And it's 1 gram less than the aluminum. That is very strange, guys. Very strange. But anyways, those are the watches and the way they look like against each other here. So I'm gonna try to boot this up, but let me compare them much closer here, guys, so that you guys could really see. So here is the black and black, so you guys could really see the difference between the two here. So aluminum black and stainless steel black, much premium looking on the stainless steel. When you look on the top right there, they both all look good, guys. It really depends on the watch band, what you put on it, that will enhance the look of the watch. But either way, you cannot go wrong. Even the aluminum, you could dress up with it by just changing the watch band, and it will look very sophisticated. And vice versa with stainless steel, you could make it more sporty if you like to go to that route. And as you can see, the stainless steel does give you that elegant look, more of a you know, kind of dressy type look. But of course, again, you could always change the watch band to make it more sporty or whatever you want it to look like, depending on what you are doing. Okay, let's move on to the other one here, the aluminum. Okay, so I'm going to be using this quite often now, and I'm going to try to match it with my stainless steel watch band, especially the black one. I cannot wait to test that out. So there you go, the difference between them. There's the color. All right, so let me put this on and see what it looks like, but I'm gonna get this activated first, and we'll go from there. All right guys, so I got it fully activated, and as you can see, that's what it looks like. That is its main watch face, which looks really nice. And let's put this on my wrist. And see what I think about it. Okay, I'll let you guys know. Since I've been using the aluminum black pretty much almost every day when I go to work. And let me see. Oh wow, very, very nice guys. You could definitely tell that it is much a higher premium look than the aluminum version. Let me just hold on, let me readjust this again, and it just looks like a very, very good looking watch guys. You could of course definitely tell right away that the quality is so much better, and I don't know, it just pops. It really pops. I think I do kind of prefer the glossy black compared to the silver one, because it doesn't really give you that glossy look to it. It's somewhat in the middle, which I do like my watch to be matted. This one is right in the middle, not too glossy, and it's not too flat looking black. So anyways, that's what it looks like guys on my hand. This is the 40mm, and right now in Canada, if you do live in Canada, go check them out. They are on sale, and they are pretty much selling like cupcakes right now guys. So I'm gonna probably grab another one. I'm gonna purchase one for a gift, so I'm not gonna mention it, but hopefully they like it. I'm gonna probably just grab them the aluminum version, because this one is the only stainless steel black is available in Canada. You do have to purchase the LTE version. They don't have the non-LTE stainless steel version, which is kind of bummer. I wish they do, because it would be a perfect price to purchase instead of buying that extra feature from the LTE, which is kind of limited if you don't have the Telus or Bell provider. So anyways guys, that's pretty much it. Those are my collection so far, and I will definitely, we'll see how it goes from here guys. If the channel continues to grow or not, I might try to expand with Apple Watch, and hopefully do a side-by-side comparison, and see what these Galaxy Watch Active 2 can offer or do against the Apple Watch. So once again guys, thank you for watching. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.